So what makes a good case versus a bad case for content removal?
Sure. So there's a lot of different factors that we're going to look at when we're reviewing the content that a client needs to have removed from the internet. Generally, age, the older the case is, the more likely we are going to be able to remove it. The outcome, so if your charges were dismissed or expunged, that's going to be a more likely case for removal over a serious conviction. The harm that it's causing the clients, if they can't get jobs, things like that. The nature of the content as well. So the more significant the charges, the less likely maybe we'll be able to remove. But again, none of these are determinative. Every case is different. We've had significant criminal cases where there was a conviction recently removed, and vice versa. We've had cases where a dismissed case from the 1980s and we've not been successful. So there's really no way of knowing, but just a rough sense of what's going to appeal to a publisher are factors like that. The most important factor, though, is probably just going to be the actual platform and the publisher and their policies. So some of them have some very strict, nope, we don't remove, we don't de-index, we won't do anything like that, whereas others are more open and willing to negotiate and to considering. And this is really where having a lawyer is going to help you because even if it is one of these platforms that is very resistant to removing, the lawyers can get in and kind of make policy arguments with the editors and the legal departments. And so that's really where having a lawyer is going to help. So bottom line is there really is no way to know until we try, so don't write anything off or assume something is impossible or vice versa. But, call, we'll give you an honest assessment. If it's a platform that we've worked with before, we can provide any details or information there. We're happy to let you know.
So basically, ask the experts. Don't self.
Yeah, don't assume. Always run it by an attorney. All of our consultations are free. We love talking to people and kind of going over their content with them and letting them know what to expect. And we'll be honest, if it's something that, we've tried with this publisher on many other cases and it's not been successful, we don't want to waste your time. We're going to tell you, your best bet is at this point, probably, just hire a suppression company to try to push it down in search results.